Hi guys, it's Wade McMaster here. Now today I wanted to have a quick chat to you about just some of the ways you can actually make money online. Now the reason why I want to talk about this is because, well, I actually run a business which is primarily online. I do a little bit of face-to-face, but ultimately what I do is I actually work from home with a web design freelance business, but I also make a passive income using affiliate marketing and a few niche blogs I run. And I've got a diverse sort of income that comes in that supports both myself and my family because my wife is a stay-at-home mum. And I just wanted to talk about the possibilities that people have to make this happen. Because a lot of people think that because there's so many scammy people out there selling products about being able to work from home that it's just not possible. But the truth is it's actually really a possibility, and if anything, it's going to slowly become more commonplace as the information age continues to grow and we start to move from that industrial getting a job scenario, which is never going to die, by the way. I'm not trying to say that it is, but it's going to become more commonplace that people are going to offer things online because the online world is where most things are taking place these days. So just to get started, I want to talk to you about how you can make money online. Now the first way you can make money is with your own website. Now this is really powerful because it's something where you don't just simply create a website and the money comes flooding in, but if you create a website, offer some value for free, do a bit of what they call content marketing, you can attract people to come to your website frequently just to get the informational entertainment that you offer. And while you're there, you can actually sell a service or a digital or physical product. That's something that's quite powerful, and there are many other things you can do to make money in a website too. But the ability to get people's attention and put your products in sort of their view while they're there, it gives you an opportunity to advertise for free, and a lot of people make a lot of money this way, and it becomes a bit of a passive income because as that website builds and grows, it continues to sell without you. The only difference being that if you do sell physical products or services, you do actually have to ship the product or perform the service in order to make the money. Now the second way you can do this is also to sell other people's products. This can be on your website, it could be on a YouTube channel, Instagram page, but what I mean sell other people's products is you can do what's called affiliate marketing. Now affiliate marketing is where you get a link from a supplier, or maybe even you just have a handshake arrangement with someone, which obviously if you're going to do that, make sure you trust the person or get some kind of legal document drawn up. But you get a specific link which allows you to promote a product, and if someone follows through and buys, you make a commission on that product. Now things like Amazon has this, so you can make I think 4 or more % on certain products you sell through Amazon, and some digital products will offer as much as 50 or even 75% of the sale if you sell a product like that to someone. So affiliate marketing is a powerful way. Some people make millions of dollars online doing this because what you can do is build that audience with, like I said, social media, a website, something like that, promote this product, and if people want it and go and buy through your link, you make some money. It's that simple. It's 100% legal. It's pretty commonplace these days. So that is number 2. How you can make money is by selling other people's products. Now that leads me to number 3, which is social media. If you have a strong social media following, it's not simply about having a following and the money trickles in, but you can get things like sponsors, where people will sponsor you to advertise their products. You can do things like paid posts, where someone simply pays you a certain amount of money to post something for them on your account. Or, like I said before, you can start pushing your services or selling other people's products, like the first 2 points we just discussed, and actually start to make sales that way. Because you're getting attention with your social media and you're building relationships with people, it's easier for you to go, hey, I recommend this product, or hey, I also do this service, or hey, this is a sponsored post from someone, etc., to make money that way. So having a strong social media following allows you to also make a lot of money if you are, quite popular in the realm of social media. Now number 4 is a little different. You can actually go online and find a paying service. There are a lot of websites out there that actually will give you a chance to sign up and make money for them. One example is there are places that allow you to do micro tasks that they pay you for. You can also do things like typesetting, things like that, where if you do a bit of a search, find out what suits you, you can sign up and have access to what they call like a job board and apply for certain little jobs that you get, and you can perform these tasks at home and get paid for them. Now I do have a list of these on a blog post which I'm going to mention at the end here, but it's also a link to in the description below. But it's something that can be a great way to get started if you don't know how to build a website or you don't have a social media presence. You can sign up and use your skills to make a little bit of money online. Not the highest paying method, but definitely one that's worth considering if you're looking to get started. Now the fourth one is to sign up for a website which sells user-generated goods. Now you've probably heard of Zazzle before. There's places like Spreadshirt, Redbubble, where you can actually design t-shirts, printable items, things like that, and you can list them on their website for sale. Now there are some people who make a lot of money this way. I've made a little bit of money doing this myself. You can actually create cool designs, or even, they don't even have to be designs, they can just be cool quotes and phrases that aren't protected by copyright for one. And you can start to sell these things online, because what happens is, for instance, if you're selling a shirt, you can basically go in there, the shirt will be on sale for $30. They might have a base price of $22. So you can then decide what your markup is from there. You can say, I want to make $1 on a shirt and sell it for $23, or you can go, I want to make $8 per shirt, sell it for $30. So that's one way that you can also make money online, is by taking advantage of marketplaces like Zazzle, Redbubble, Pinterest. Once again, I have a list on the blog, on this blog post I'm going to link to, and you can actually start to generate your own content and sell that way, and you don't have to do any work. You simply create the design, the file, upload it, walk away, and then it works without you. So again, that's passive income that you can create for yourself. Now the last one I want to go through is paid reviews. You can either sign up for a paid review service where you can actually sign up, get a product and review it, and you get paid to review it, or you can even review websites, so people will pay you a certain amount of money to review a website based on how easy it is to use and that sort of thing. And you can make a little bit of money doing that too. The other thing is, if you have that following on social media or a website like I mentioned before, you can also do paid reviews there. You might get approached by a company to review something in exchange for a product or money, or maybe you can approach people or even have a page there advertising your paid review service. Either way, that's something you can do to make money online quite easily and basically start to generate a bit of a side income, or even eventually a full-time income from there. And it's definitely possible, and that's something a lot of people also do. Now this is also in the realm of affiliate marketing. If you buy a camera, like the camera I'm using at the moment is just a simple camcorder. If I were to review that, I could actually make money selling that camcorder, because I would actually go to Amazon, find an affiliate link, create the review on YouTube, put a link there, and I might start getting sales for that camera if I leave a good review anyway, and start making money that way. So paid reviews can be done in more than one way, but it's definitely an option, and a lot of people do make money that way. Now the last thing I want to mention is not so much a point or a way you can make money online, but it's actually just this blog post. I've mentioned it a few times here, is that I have a list of ways you can make money online. It's very comprehensive and would have taken way too long for me to put into this video. So if you head to the link on your screen right now, or this is also going to be listed in the description below, you can actually go through, and there's a full list of ways that you can make money online, very detailed, very in-depth. Also shows you resources you can use to go to and sign up and start to make money. So I just wanted to give that one to you so you can check it out for yourself. Of course, this video is on the page, so if you're watching this video on the page, just simply scroll down. But I thought you might find that useful, because it does have a lot of resources for you to get started and start making money online. Now, thanks for watching the video. I do hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please consider giving it a like below, or even subscribing to my YouTube channel. Otherwise, I hope to talk to you again soon, and I'll see you next time.